Welcome to the National Weather Service Spokane weekly weather briefing. My name is Robin Fox, and this briefing will cover the expected weather for the upcoming week from Tuesday, February 19th through Monday, February 25th, 2013. Since forecasts are subject to change, please do not use this presentation after 6 a.m. Wednesday, February 20th. Now here's an overview for the upcoming week. An active, moist northwest flow will be over the inland northwest this week, reminding us winter is not over yet. A series of disturbances will drop out of the Gulf of Alaska and into the Pacific Northwest. Each system will lead to rounds of precipitation, mostly in the form of snow. Currently, one of these systems has dropped along the west coast and carved a large low-pressure trough over the region. Snow showers will persist along a decaying cold front across southeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle tonight. After a short break on Wednesday, more snow will return to the northern mountains on Thursday with an approaching warm front. A very strong cold front will arrive Friday and bring gusty winds and moderate to heavy snow, mainly for the mountains, through Saturday. Then, after quieter conditions on Sunday, the next in a series of storms will arrive Sunday night into Monday with more snow possible. This global composite satellite shows the active storm track across the northern Pacific, with at least 3 storms lined up. A ridge of high pressure over the central Pacific has pushed the storm track north to Alaska, which will lead to a cool northwest flow along the Pacific Northwest. The first system, the departing storm. The timing is for the rest of the afternoon through tonight. The impacts are for an additional 1 to 2 inches of snow in the lowlands and up to 3 inches in the mountains through the evening. Also, there's a potential for some icy roadways as the wet road surfaces cool overnight with the dropping temperatures. The location will span from the Palouse region across the central Idaho mountains, the Blue Mountains, and the Camas Prairie with good confidence. Snow levels will start out around 2,500 feet this afternoon and lower to around 1,200 feet overnight. Here is the current weather story for eastern Washington and North Idaho. Light snow will continue over this region through the rest of the afternoon and into the evening. So far, snow totals have ranged from around a trace to 1.5 inches of snow. The snow showers will taper off overnight. Now for the next storm, our stronger storm. Light snow will start out on Thursday with a warm front, but the main timing is focused on Friday through Saturday with the passage of a strong cold front. The impacts include moderate to heavy mountain snow, light to moderate valley snow, and gusty winds with speeds of 40 to 50 miles an hour. The location of the heaviest snow will stretch along the Cascade Crest and the upslope regions of North Idaho. The strongest winds will be from the east slopes of the Cascades and across the Columbia Basin. Snow levels will rise to 2,000 feet near the Canadian border to 3,500 feet down to the Oregon border on Friday, and then drop to 1,000 feet or less by Saturday after the cold front. The forecaster confidence is medium on the timings and snow levels with this storm. Winds will pick up with the cold front late Friday night into Saturday morning. The strongest low-level winds will span from the East Slope valleys across the Columbia Basin to the Spokane and Coeur d'Alene area, the Palouse, and the LC Valley, with speeds of 20 to 30 miles an hour and gusts to 40 miles an hour. Ridgetop winds will be even stronger with a potential of 30 to 40 miles per hour with gusts as high as 50 miles per hour. Projected total snowfall for the storm system starting from Friday morning through Saturday morning, show light snow accumulations across the Columbia Basin and most valley locations. The brunt of the heavy snow is expected along the Cascade Crests and the higher elevations of northeast Washington and north Idaho. The third storm, being 6 to 7 days out, the timing is questionable in this active pattern, but it looks to be from Sunday night into Monday. This system does not seem to be as strong as the previous one, but will follow a similar track, with the impacts ranging from moderate mountain snow to gusty winds, and snow levels ranging from around 1,000 feet in the north to 2,500 feet in the south. At this time, forecaster confidence is low on the timing and location. Chances of precipitation have been raised and snow is likely along the Cascade Crest and the Idaho Panhandle Mountains by next Monday. Expect the forecast to be more refined later in the week. Here's the 7-day forecast for the Spokane and Lewiston areas, and it depicts multiple chances of precipitation this week. Starting with today and tonight's system, especially noted in the Lewiston area, followed by Friday into Saturday's system, and then again on Monday. Except for a brief warming on Thursday, temperatures will run below normal for the week. The 8 to 14 day outlook issued by the Climate Prediction Center shows near normal precipitation and temperature chances. In summary, we will be seeing an active weather pattern for the week, as a series of weather disturbances drop out of the Gulf of Alaska and into the Pacific Northwest. Currently, one of these systems is responsible for the snow showers that will linger across southeast Washington and the Idaho Panhandle through tonight. After a short break on Wednesday, more snow will return to the northern mountains for Thursday with an approaching warm front. A very strong cold front will arrive Friday and bring gusty winds and moderate to heavy snow to mainly the mountain areas through Saturday. After quieter conditions on Sunday, the next in a series of storms is expected to arrive around Sunday night into Monday with more snow. Here's how you can stay informed and get the latest information from the National Weather Service in Spokane. Our forecasts and various winter weather products are available on our website at weather.gov/Spokane. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to us on YouTube. And as always, you can listen to us on NOAA Weather Radio. Thank you for tuning in for our weekly weather briefing.